Now I'm going to introduce someone who's truly need to introduce. He is the smart, handsome, and quick decision maker, and extremely supportive. He gives us chance to win, to grow, and to become better leader like him. A leader like this is very rare in this world. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome beloved boss Mr. Toby to share his vision and the future with us. Thank you so much. Please come.
Okay, boys. As Matt saying that I'm a quick decision maker. Ma'am saying that we wish 2026 will be successfully. What I wish is that we don't fail. We don't fall. That's my wish. Okay. So the situation for 26 when the year starts, and you know it's not easy. We face a lot of a challenge. 26 actually our position is much better than 2017. Actually we start with 2014. We have good time in 14, 15, 16. Very good time. In 17 we faced a big trouble. Then for 17 to 18 we totally changed our company to be our life. And right now our base is so much stronger than 2018. But 26 I think this year will give us very tough time. Not only us, I think all over the world companies will face the same problems. All right. So not to be the fattest, but to be the furthest. This is my mission. What I need to guarantee our company don't fall down. I don't wish in the future we could be very, very, very successfully. Yeah, at least we can have life now. All right. So this is what I want to try to talk. Not the fattest, but the furthest. All right. Then the past, no, and the future, and how can we do it? All right. So these days I'm really thinking about so much. Advantages. The past are advantages and weakness. Advantage, what I mostly hear about from our customer side. Tobys, the taste of products. Taste of products include quality control. Include our packing design, include our products design, and multi-countries operation. This is our advantage. If Saudi we don't start, if we start today, it will be very, very late and will make us big trouble. So Saudi we start how many? 8 years back, right? 8 years back we start with Saudi. Right now we get fruit. So can you imagine now what we can make decision? So after 80 years, if we have some problems in this part, at least another part can save your life. All right, so pre-thinking. And weaknesses, decision as Bob saying that quicker decision maker. But from my side, not so much satisfied. So from order models and quantity and slow decisions. In my judgment, our decision not so much fast. All right. So the wrong decisions what we make. So every year we tell ourselves, don't make mistakes.
Professional, together for